Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find albums in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then make sure that you sign in into the correct account. You need to click the profile icon at the right top and then check it. So you can click the arrow icon and then switch to another account, or you can add your correct account. After that, you can go to the collections at the middle bottom, and right here we have albums, so this one, all your albums what you have at this account. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.